Hey, what's up, WazirX holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. My friends, once again I'm present with another alert urgent news of the WazirX. Keep watching this video till the end, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can save yourself from loss. At this time, as you know that the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down, so how you can save yourself from loss. Keep watch this video till the end for more details, my friends. First of all, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the WazirX in the market is 1.91 USD dollar. That is the current price of the WazirX in the market, and tomorrow they are going to hit a 2 USD dollar, or tonight there is a chance to the WazirX going to hit a 2 USD dollar, my friends. And on the other side, if we look the BTC Bitcoin price of the WazirX is 0.0005101 USD dollar. BTC price of the WazirX WRX, my friends. And if you want more updates about the WazirX, so the market cap, 24 hours volume, and available supply, total supply, every update you can see now on the screen, my friends. You know what, my friends, at this time the WazirX is the unique cryptocurrencies in the market, and I want to congratulate all WazirX holders that at this time only WazirX is the positive cryptocurrencies in the market. This last 1 hour, last 24 hours pricing is absolutely going positive in the WazirX, my friends. 7.59% the price is positive in the last 1 hour. That's unbelievable price jump. That's unbelievable price pump of the WazirX, my friends. Congrats. And my friends, I think that at this time the WazirX, oh my goodness, WazirX take a quick jump. At this moment, my friends, WazirX take a quick jump, but now at this time the price falls down. And you can see that this time, if you look the last time price chart of the WazirX, so let me zoom it. You can see at this time the price again start pump. So now the next pump of the WazirX starts now. It's just a beginning. Wait for it. The huge pump of the WazirX are very soon and very near to us, my friends. Very soon we are going to the moon, so be ready and be alert from loss. How you can save yourself from loss. If the price falls down after WazirX, so that's not mean you decide to sell, my friends. No. When the last 1 hour, now as I told you that the last 1 week pricing is negative, only the yesterday and last 1 hour pricing is positive, so that's mean that you are in the loss at this time in the market. When you are in the profit, sell it and go away from the market. But now at this time, don't decide to sell. You lose if you decide to sell. My prediction is 100% positive. I believe that they will take a huge pump in the future. What is your prediction? What is your opinion? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe AVS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.